Hi, this is Pam from Hooked on Sewing, and these are my 12 tips for using your sewing machine. Tip number 1, read your sewing machine manual. Tip number 2, hold the top and bottom threads between your fingers every time you start sewing. Tip number 3, always pull the thread forward through your machine. Tip number 4, make sure you're using the correct bobbin for your machine. And tip number 5, always turn the hand wheel towards you. Don't turn it backwards. Tip number 6, get in the habit of lowering the presser foot as the first thing you do. Tip number 7, always use the correct needle for your particular project. And tip number 8, clean and oil your machine regularly. Tip number 9, master the straight stitch. Practice it over and over. Tip number 10, familiarize yourself with all the stitch options. Tip number 11, thread your machine correctly. Tip number 12, use good quality thread. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to visit me on the Hooked on Sewing blog and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you.